Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have done exercise 10A and 10B. This chapter consists of Pythagoras theorem, and exercise 10A and 10B we use Pythagoras theorem to solve this exercise. Pythagoras theorem means hypotenuse square. The hypotenuse is the longest side. Got it? Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of other sides of squares. For example, just like this one, this is triangle, this is hypotenuse, and this is the longest side, and this one is the shortest. Got it? And this square is equal to the sum of the squares of these two sides. Got it? Now today we have to start exercise 10C. 10C we also use Pythagoras theorem to solve exercise 10C. First we solve from basic level. Question number 1, determine if each of the following triangle is right angle triangle. Here the values are given. We find the triangle is right angle or not. If each right angle triangle state the right angle. Got it? We find the triangle is right angle triangle or not. Got it? Now triangle is ABC. Triangle is ABC given that AB equal to 16 centimeter, BC equal to 63 centimeter, and AC equal to 65 centimeter. The data is given data. Exercise 10C. Question number 1, A part. Triangle given is ABC such that given data. Triangle is given ABC such that AB equal to 16 centimeter, BC equal to 63 centimeter, and AC equal to 65 centimeter. Got it? This is the given data to solve the triangle is right angle or not. Got it? Now you know that AC is the highest length. This is 65 centimeter. Got it? AC is the highest length. It means this is 65 centimeter. You also mention AC is the highest side of triangle. AC solution. AC is the longest side of triangle ABC. Triangle is ABC. AC is the longest side of triangle ABC. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, the longest side of triangle is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. The longest side is AC, so that AC square is equal to this one. AC square is equal to the sum of square of these two sides, AB square plus BC square. Got it? Now AC, the value of AC is 65 centimeter square equal to the value of AB is 16, and then 16 centimeter square plus the value of BC is 63, so that's 63 centimeter square. Now we open the square of 65, then we get 65 square 4225 equal to, open the square of 16, then we get 256 plus, open the square of 63, then you get 3969. Now we add this plus 256, then you get to 4225, and this one 4225. These sides are equal. Got it? These one are equal since AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Since mean क्योंकि these sides are equal, because the answers are equal, AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. So triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Got it? Where, got it? Since the triangle is right angle triangle. Okay. Okay, where, for example, this is triangle. Got it? This is triangle and the highest length is AC. This one is AC. This was 65 centimeter, and if this is A, this is B, then this is C. Sorry, this is A, this is C, then this is B. Got it? And the length of AB equal to 16 and the length of B is equal to 63. So that the angle at point B equal to 90 degree. You also write here where angle B equal to 90 degree. Got it? This is very easy and simple. There is no difficulty, and this is just like previous question. Now you come on next part. In triangle DEF is given data. Part B, given data, triangle DEF given है, such that DE equal to 24 centimeter, EF equal to 27 centimeter, and DF equal to 21 centimeter. This is the given data. Got it? DE equal to 24 centimeter, EF equal to 27 centimeter, and DF equal to 21 centimeter. Now you just solve just like previous questions. Which one is the highest? EF is the highest length. You also write here EF is the solution. EF is the longest side of triangle DEF. Got it? Now this is the longest side, so that EF whole square equal to the sum of square of these two sides, DE square plus DF square. Now we put the value. What is the value of ES? This one is 27 square equal to, what is the value of DF? This is 24 square plus, and this is 21 square. Now we open square. What is the square of 27? This one is 729. What is the square of 24? And this is 276 plus, what is the square of 21? And this one equal to 441. Now you add this, plus 276, then you get 717. So that, just look here, this is 729 is not equal to 770. Got it? 729, sorry, is not equal to, open the scale of 21, then you get 441, and then open the scale of 24, then you get 5076. Now we add this, then you get 1070. Got it? 729 is not equal to, this one is not equal to 1070, since, just like A part, since EF square is not equal to DE square, because answers are not equal. E square, there the answers are equal, so that I write this, these are equal. There the answers are not equal, so I write just like this. Okay? And then so triangle DEF is not right angled triangle. Got it? And for example, this is right angle triangle. but these sides are not equal, so that we say that this is not right angle triangle. Got it? Here the sides are same, so that we draw the right angle triangle. Here the sides are not same, that's why we can't show it right angle triangle, because Pythagoras theorem apply only just right angle triangle. This is not right angle triangle, so we can't apply Pythagoras theorem. Here the values are given, we find triangle is right angle or not. In exercise 10a and 10b, we know that triangle is right angle, and then we find the values of sides. Here in exercise 10c, the value of sides are given, we find this triangle is right angle triangle, not just like a part this is right angle triangle, in theta this in b part this is not right angle triangle. Now you solve c part, this is your h work, part c only is your h work. Solve it. If you have any query, then please inbox me. Thank you.